Hi guys, today we continue to study chapter 4 about energy and the future. We first learn how to generate nuclear energy. In physics, there are two processes to generate nuclear energy by converting mass to energy: fission and fusion. Fission refers to splitting a heavy nucleus into two intermediate ones, such as the fission of uranium. Fusion refers to combining two lighter nuclei into a heavy one, such as the fusion of hydrogen isotopes, deuterium and tritium. Hydroelectricity is a type of clean energy because it uses kinetic energy or potential energy of water to generate electricity. It provides 16% of world electricity, 99% in Norway, 84% in Brazil, 66% of 58% in Canada, and so on. USA generates hydropower at a rate of 96 gigawatt. Geothermal heat is another type of clean energy. It uses Earth's heat to generate electricity. Over 30 countries generated 11 gigawatt geothermal powers, in which 3 gigawatt is by USA. Earthquakes hazard the geothermal power plant. Solar energy is a popular clean energy. Sunlight provides about 87 watt per meter square of power. Solar panels convert light or radiation directly to electricity. Solar power systems convert light or radiation energy to heat and then to electricity. Winds are also a good clean energy source. It uses windmills to drive turbines and generate electricity. The largest turbine can generate electricity at a rate of 6 megawatt. Fastest growth at a rate of 20% increase yearly. In the world total, wind power is 240 gigawatt in capacity. Tides and water waves can be also used to generate electricity. South Korea built the world's largest tidal power plant of 254 megawatt. The largest wave energy converter can be 180 meters in length and 4 meters in diameter. Energy can be stored in different ways. For the bulk storage, energy not needed at a particular time can be stored as gravitational potential energy by pumping water to higher reservoirs. When we want to use energy, we use the water potential energy to convert to generate electricity. Electrochemical cells can also store energy. It is a device that can convert chemical energy to electric energy, such as batteries, that usually contains one or more electrochemical cells. Electric car uses electric motors powered by storage batteries. A fuel cell is a device that converts chemical energy from fuel to electricity. Hydrogen is a typical or the most common fuel. A fuel that is made from plant is called biofuel, such as ethanol, which is a biofuel made from corn. Soybeans can be also used to make biofuels. An acre of soybeans can make 60 gallons of biofuel per year. In future, if gasoline runs out, we may use biofuel to drive a car to provide power for a car. Human beings will inevitably have the energy and the climate problems in future. Everybody is responsible to save energy and protect our environment now. Using fluorescent light bulbs, driving smoke cars, turning off light and air conditioners when not needed, losing weight, and so on can save energies. This is just some examples. To reduce carbon dioxide, to reduce the release of carbon dioxide, one can build a system that pumps carbon dioxide emitted by power plants or other sources into underground reservoirs. Plant more trees, charge carbon tax, do cap and trade, and so on. That helps us to reduce the carbon dioxide. That's the end of this chapter. Basically, this chapter are all about the energy and the future concept, all our concepts. No formulas. So please review these two videos and learn the basic concepts about the energy and the future. Thanks. See you later.